In this video, I'm going to show you how to use Sierra Chart with Apex. Now, the first thing you have to do here inside Sierra Chart, click on Global Settings up top, and then Data/Trade Service Settings. Click on this, and then in here under Current Selected Service, click on this drop-down arrow and look for Rithmic Direct DTC. Click on this because we all know Apex is connected to Rithmic. You can connect to Rithmic, and then with your Rithmic, you can connect on here via Apex. You'll see it's going to make sense in a second. Click on Apply All after you do that, and then here it's going to pop up a bunch of different things. Click on Yes here, and then just click on OK so everything gets set up correctly. After that, click on the global settings again. Go back inside Data/Trade Service Settings. And here under server or list, you want to click on this button and you want to look for Apex. So at first you're going to be up top here, just scroll down and you'll find Apex. There we go. Then select your server. For me, I'm going to go for the Chicago area. And then after this, type in your Rithmic trading username for Apex, and then the password as well. And then, of course, the market data username and password as well, the historical data username and password as well. And then you can select if you want to download historical data files or not by clicking over here, yes or no. Okay. Now, of course, make sure you actually do type this in correctly. This is very important because, of course, this is case sensitive. So make sure you actually do, if it's uppercase, do uppercase, and if it's lowercase, do lowercase. Okay, so I hope this makes sense. For the password, make sure you click on show here so you'll be able to basically see what the password is and you don't mess it up. Okay, and after you've done that, you can just go ahead, click on apply all and click on OK. And if it doesn't automatically connect up here top left, click on file and then click on connect to data feed. And then, of course, whenever you have your correct credentials in there, you will get no errors, and then you'll be able to connect to your data feed. Me, I don't have the credentials right now, so I can't connect, but for you, it's going to be working just fine. So that's it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.